Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, back to show you another retro toy. This one looked like it was from Hot Rod Magazine, and so these were similar to the Zip Zap that you may have seen in the last video. And for $16, this is just a body kit, but this is known as an X mod. And so this would come with a Sparco steering wheel, which was really big at the time after the Fast and the Furious stuff. And then this is a 2004 Cobra, and it comes with different body pieces for it. So what I really liked about it is you could have the original one, because a lot of times they wanted to trick it out to sell the toys, but I like the original look. And so it was really cool to see this one was, in fact, just a stock 2004 Cobra appearance in the beginning, and then you can change it from there. But it's pretty accurate. It has the Cobra painted mirrors, has the snake on the fender as well, and side skirts. Everything looked pretty good for being a 2004 SVT Cobra. So they got it right, and they did a really good job with the rear bumper and the tail lights, everything. So you may have seen my previous video where I had the Zip Zap, and it was cool because you could choose a different engine and gears and tires and everything like that to modify it. So the X mods were just like that, but on a bigger scale. And it was really cool because you could assemble the car itself first with the hood and the side skirts, the front and rear bumpers. And so it was a model, and it was fun to build. And then it had all these different things in here with different heat sinks and ball differentials and all kinds of parts. So it did have a lot more assembly, and each of these pieces could be swapped out for better components. And so I don't even have all of these. I just had the body kit that I bought here for, it was $16 when it was new. I think I paid a little bit more than that on eBay, and so I still have to come up with that. And this one was an actual Ford licensed product. As you saw, the other one said GM on it, which I thought was interesting, being a Ford body on the car. But anyway, this one was the Ford licensed product. But it was really cool just to see all these, coming out around the same time, where you had things that you could buy and modify and build. And it was something really fun for younger kids to be able to do, and adults too, I'm sure. And you may have seen my Mach 1 video here where you drive this one by the watch. So just a lot of cool toys around that time. So anyway, check the video description. I'll put more videos like this, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.